Hello students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's math time, ma'am.
Yes, in today's class, continuing with our chapter, Geometry, we'll be studying types of triangles, right? So starting with the triangles on the basis of sides, followed by on the basis of angles. So first one, first category of triangle is that we are doing is on the basis of side. So first triangle you see here, I am making one triangle. Okay. Here all the sides AB, BC and CA. Let us say all the three sides are of equal measurement. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Such triangles where all the sides are equal, that triangle is called equilateral triangle. And we can mark it as like this. This single mark is equating mark, which tells us that yes, these three sides are equal. It is an indication. If the measurement is not mentioned, then also we can find that yes, these equating sign tells us it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? A triangle having all three sides equal. That means measurement of AB, if it is equal to measurement of AC and further equal to measurement of BC, all three sides equal, that means equilateral triangle. Now second type of triangle is, now see here I am making one triangle. Was first line, second line and third line. Here you can observe this triangle ABC that yes, all the three sides are of unequal measurement. They are not same. Suppose the lower one is of 4 centimeter, the other one AC is of 3 centimeter and the third one is of 5 centimeter. All are of different measurement. Such triangle is named as scalene triangle. So let us write. Scalene triangle, a triangle having all three sides unequal. Is called scalene triangle. So this we can write as AB is not equals to BC is not equals to AC. This is the sign of not equals to. Okay. Now next type of triangle. See here. Observe this triangle. This is AB, C and the baseline BC. In this triangle, suppose the top lines, vertical lines are 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and the bottom is suppose let us say 3 centimeter. This is a special type of triangle in which two sides are equal, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. See, I have used equating sign. So these two signs tells us that yes, these two sides are equal. So a triangle in which two sides are equal and third is not equal, fine. So such type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. Let us write. Isosceles triangle. A triangle having two sides equal is called isosceles triangle. So here AB is equals to AC, which is further equals to 4 centimeter. Two sides are equal, so yes, we can say it is an isosceles triangle. If measurement is not given, only these equating marks are given, then also you can find that yes, these two equating sign tells us AB is equal to AC, two sides equal, so it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, these are the three types of triangle based on sides: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Now, second type of triangles are based on angles. Triangles on the basis of angle. So, first one, acute angle triangle. Angle, GLED. So, which type of triangle is this? I am making one. See here. Let us say the name of the triangle is ABC. One triangle is 80 degree. Okay. This triangle is suppose 60 degree and here it is 40 degree. A triangle in which all the three angles are acute, that means less than 90 degree, that triangle is called acute angle triangle. A triangle having all three angles acute, that is, each angle is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. Now, second type of triangle is obtuse angle triangle. As the name says, obtuse angle, that means here one angle is obtuse, rest two are acute. See how? This is one triangle. Let us name it ABC. Angle C, let us say it is 110 degree. Angle B, let us say it is 40 degree. And angle A is 30 degree. Here also all three angles are different, but the special thing is one angle is obtuse more than 90 degree. So when one angle is obtuse angle, that triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. A triangle having one angle obtuse is called obtuse angle triangle. One angle can be obtuse, two cannot be obtuse, okay? Only one. Now, third type of triangle, right angle triangle. When we did the types of angles using protractor, tell me where right angle comes. Right angle comes at 90 degree. That means a triangle in which one of the angle is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. Let us name it ABC. The angle which is being here at B is 90 degree. Let us say this is 40 and here it is 50. Okay, so one of the angle when it is 90 degree rest to acute. Here one of the angle obtuse rest to acute. So here one angle 90 degree, that is why it is called right angle triangle. A triangle having one angle as right angle is called right angled triangle. Here in right angle triangle, you need to know some of the other aspects also. Here, the slant side AC is called hypotenuse. Hypetenuse. Hypotenuse. And the bottom line BC is called base. And the AB line, which is making 90-degree angle at the base, is called altitude. So these are the specific names in the right angle triangle. Here in acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle, there are no specific name. They are side only. Yes, base, BC, every time you can call it base. This is baseline. Here, but the slant line is having special name, hypotenuse. Continuing further, let us do some of the questions now based on the types of triangles. Question number 1. Classify the triangles on the basis of angles. Some triangles are given to us along with the angles. We have to just identify them. Okay. So, try along with me. This is one of the triangle. 50 degree, 60 degree and here 70 degree suppose. Triangle ABC. Tell me, the triangle having all the three angles acute is called, which triangle it is? Acute angle triangle. Next, I am making one more triangle. Here, corner angle 90 degree. Rest two angles are 45 degree both. Let us say this is PQR. Now, try to identify which triangle is this. One angle is right angle. So, yes, this is right angle triangle. Now, next triangle. One more triangle, let us name it M and O. O is 100 degree, this is 40 and this is also 40. Now tell me, this is one angle here obtuse, so it is obtuse angle triangle. Now let us do other question. One more. Classify the triangles on the basis of sides. Okay. First triangle. Observe this triangle. This is triangle PQR. Equating line I am drawing at PQ and PR. Equating lines at these two sides tells us that yes, these two sides are equal. So which triangle is this? PQ equals to PR. So it is an isosceles triangle. Next triangle. Triangle ABC. This is 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. Measurement is given, and if measurement is not given and you are having these three equating symbol on all the three sides, then also you can identify that yes, with AB equals to BC equals to AC. It is an equilateral triangle. Now see next triangle. This is also a triangle. Let us name it PQR. Okay. PQ 3 centimeter, QR 4 centimeter, PR 5 centimeter. All three sides of equal unequal measurement. None of them is equal. So it is named as scalene triangle. Correct. PQ is not equals to QR is not equals to PR. So it is an scalene triangle. Okay. Now after getting some understanding of types of triangles on the basis of angles, type of triangles on the basis of sides, let us do the properties of triangles. First property tells us that triangle is a closed figure. Three side all closed made up of straight lines. So it is a closed figure called polygon. A triangle is a closed figure. Made up of three lines, so called a polygon. Next, there are three angles in a triangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C. When we add all the three angles of a triangle, the sum is 180 degree. So, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If you are having a triangle ABC, then angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Always, okay? It cannot be less, it cannot be more. Now third property tells us, in a triangle there can be one right angle, there can be one obtuse angle, and rest two will always be acute angles. A triangle can has one right angle or one obtuse angle. These two can be one only, and rest two will be acute, and other two angles will be acute. Now, fourth property. In a triangle, I am drawing one triangle here, naming it A, B, C. Suppose this is 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now, a triangle can only be formed when sum of its two sides is always greater than the third side. That means sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third. Greater than the third side. See how? Two sides AB plus AC. Add करें AB 4, AC 5 becomes 9 centimeter. Yes, 9 centimeter is greater than the third side BC, which is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now these two we have added. Let us add the next two. AB plus BC. Now these two sides I am taking AB and BC, add them. 4 plus 6 gives us 10 centimeter. Sum of these two sides, yes, it is greater than the third side AC, which is 5 centimeter. Now adding AC and BC. AC plus BC. AC 5 plus BC is 6 gives us 11 centimeter, which is also greater than the third side AB, which is 4 centimeter. AC was 5, BC is 6. So a triangle can be drawn, is possible to draw when the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. You can try also. If the sum of two sides is smaller than the third side, any two. Out of these three cases, if two are fine, sum is greater than the rest. But if the third one is not, then also that construction of triangle is not possible. So these are the four properties. Let us do some questions on the basis of this knowledge. Let us see the first question. Given two angles in a triangle are 60 degree and 70 degree. Angle A is 60, angle B is 70. Find the measure of the third angle. Triangle ABC, angle A, angle B, angle C. That means we have to find the measure of angle C. Now, the properties of triangle tells us sum of three angle is 180 degree. Always remember. So, what is the property? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Two angles are given to you. Add them. 60 plus 70, 130. Subtracted from 180, you will get the third one. Right? So let us add. Angle A plus angle B gives us 60 plus 70 equals to 130 degree. We have to find angle C. So let us subtract. From the total, if we subtract the sum of these two, we will get the third one. So angle C equals to 180 minus 130 is 50 degree. This is the measurement of third angle. Next question. Two angles are given. Find the measure of missing angle. Okay. A triangle is having three angles. Total sum you are knowing 180. So any two are given. So third one you can find, right? So you add first two and get the third one. I am making a table here. This is angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay. Angle A suppose given to us is 60 degree. Angle B also 60 degree. Angle C we have to find. Angle A we have to find. Angle B suppose given 100 degree. And here given 30 degree. We have to find angle A. This is A part, B part. Now let me write the C part. Suppose angle A is given 50 degree. Angle B is given 40 degree. We have to find the angle C. D part. Angle A given to you is 80 degree. Angle B we have to find, and angle C suppose given 60 degree. Okay. We have to find the missing angles. Remember the property. Sum of three angles equals to, I am writing at the side, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Okay. As my students are very creative, so I have also started putting the formula in the cloud in place of box. Earlier I was putting in box. Now let us put the formula in the cloud. Now angle A 60, angle B 60. 60 plus 60, 120. Subtract from 180. 180 minus 120 gives us 60 degree. That means angle C is also 60 degree. Now think, 60, 60, 60, all three angles equal. That means which triangle it is? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has all the three sides equal, all the three angles also equal. Next question. Angle A we are not knowing. B is 100, C is 30. Let us add them and then subtract from 180. 180 minus sum of these two. 100 plus 30 gives us 180 minus 130. Further equals to 50 degree. That means angle B is 50 degree. You can check your answer. 50 plus 100, 150 plus 30, 180. Sum of three angles, 180 degree. Next question. Angle A 50, angle B 40. We have to find the angle C. So subtract the sum of these two angles from 180. 180 minus 50 plus 40 equals to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 gives us 90 degree. Observe 50, 50, 90. The triangle having one angle 90 degree is called right angle triangle. B part, one angle is 100, which is more than 90, obtuse. So 50 degree, 100 degree, 30 degree. Second triangle is obtuse angle triangle. D part, one angle 80, other angle 60. Let us find the angle B. Angle B equals to 180 minus sum of these two, 80 plus 60 gives us 180 minus 140 equals to 40 degree. So here angle is 40 degree. Now observe 80, 40, 60 all are acute. That means which triangle is this? Acute angle triangle. Okay. So this is how when two angles are given we can find the third one with the help of the formula that yes, sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Let us do one more type of question. In an isosceles triangle, the vertical angle is 100 degree. Find the measure of other two angles. Let us draw the isosceles triangle first. What is an isosceles triangle? A triangle having two sides of equal measure. Let us say this is triangle A, B, C. AB equals to AC. In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. That means two base angles are also equal. That means angle B will also be equal to angle C. Here, vertical angle is 100 degree. So that means angle A given to us is 100 degree. Again I am repeating, in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So two base angles are also equal. In equilateral triangle, how it was? Three sides equal, so all three angles equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides equal, so two base angle, not any two, only base angles where these two sides are falling. Those base angles will be equal. Okay, we have to find the measure of these two angles. Let the measure of angle B is x. Angle B is equal to angle C. If B is x, that means C is also x. Let us write. Angle A given to us is 100 degree. Right? Let angle B equals to x. And then angle C is also equals to x because both the base angles are equal in isosceles triangle. Now angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. That we know the property of triangle. Let us put the value here. In place of angle A, write down 100. In place of angle B, let us replace it by x. In place of angle C also x. A 100, B x, C also x equals to 180 degree. Now this is 100. X plus x. How many times x is written? 2 times x is written. That means x plus x equals to 2x. 2 times x equals to 180 degree. Now 100 is this side with plus sign. Will go to the other side, turn into minus 100. 180 minus 100. So 2x equals to 80. Now 2 times x. Times means multiply. So 2 is in multiplication here. Will go to the other side in divide. So that means x is equal to 80 divided by 2. Do cuttings. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 1 0 at the back. That means 40 degree. X equals to 40 degree. What is x? Angle B 40. Angle C also. That means this is also 40. So that means angle B equals to 40 degree. Angle C is also equals to 40 degree. Now you can check the answer. 100 plus 40 plus 40. Yes, it is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Okay. this much for today. So today we have done the classification of triangles on the basis of angles, on the basis of sides, and the properties of triangles. Okay, do revise the concept. If you understood the concept, please ensure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bad time. Welcome, ma'am.